How's it going?
Good, good, and you?
Good, not too bad, not too bad. Where are you calling out of?
Yeah. Where are you from?
Yeah, where are you from?
I am from India, man.
Okay, cool, cool, cool. Gotcha, gotcha.
And
Where'd you
you?
find my stuff?
And you?
I'm originally from Michigan in the U.S.
US. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir, yes, sir.
yeah,
Where'd you
yeah.
find me on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I watched you. I am watching your YouTube and to 10 hours course for beginner, and yeah, man, it is very helpful to very beginner because I am stuck was 3 to 4K a month. I am running a currently video editing agency and graphic design agency, but stuck 3 to 4K a month.
How many clients? How many clients do you have?
Yeah, my clients 3 to 4 right now and hitting 3 to 4K a month currently.
Is it 3 to 4
Yeah, 3,000 to $4,000 every single month.
USD?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. What niche are you in?
Video editing. I am currently running a video editing agency and graphic designing, and just started a marketing agency with partnership because
Okay, so just a
my partner is very experienced in marketing agency like Meta Ads, Google Ads for the previous 4 to 5 years ago, and I started with together right now.
okay.
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
working in the U.S. market?
Yeah, yeah. I'm targeting a US market, UK market, Australia, and Canada, etc. country.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Where are your clients currently based out of? And are you in like a specific sub niche, or are you mainly just like general marketing? Getting more clients. How did you get your current clients?
I have a right now 3 and 4 because my most clients left me, man, and I don't understand what should I do to getting my more clients because a
Like,
lot of clients right now, and I worked over 50 plus global clients right now in 3 years, but my most clients leaving me and don't understand what should I do.
okay, most clients are leaving you.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, what are you doing to sign them in the first place? Did you say DMs?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. I am recently doing a DM like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook.
Okay,
Exactly.
got you. Now, what I guess my main question is, like, what specifically do you need from me? Well, like, are you like you did DMs? Why don't you just do more DMs?
Yeah, yes, exactly. I am focusing on DM, like Instagram and LinkedIn, right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Why don't you just do more?
yeah, yeah. So I am like thinking getting a clients for advertising, right? So how can I do it?
Well, you mentioned you already have a client, right?
Yeah, yeah. My biggest issue
Why don't
is
you?
getting a client, man.
Okay. So how many sales calls do you like have every week?
Exactly, my video agency.
Yeah, like right now.
Yeah, yeah, I am 3 to 4.
3 to 4?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, mainly from DMs. So you just want more booked calls.
yeah, yeah. Booking a call, and my this is my partner for booking a call, and he attend a meeting call to closing more clients. And but I am recently starting a marketing agency for this to hitting a 10K month. But I don't understand about it in marketing agency. So what should I do? because my video
So
agency because my video agency another agency, and my this is my marketing agency, another agency for me. Yeah,
so you currently own a different agency. You want to start a
yeah, yeah, yeah,
marketing one?
yeah, yeah, exactly. I have a
Okay.
different agency for video editing and graphic designing, and this is my currently marketing agency like lead generation or appointment booking for my USA clients, US markets.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, I do have I think two Indian guys in my program, but like they don't their accents are pretty like aren't that strong. The reason why I say that is because if you're starting a marketing agency and especially like working in the US market,
Yeah, yeah.
depending on the niche, like there's a lot of skepticism in the US for just overall Indian accents in general.
Hmm.
Um, so like Yeah, that's the only thing that I'm like skeptical to like give you any advice because like in my experience, for example, like in roofing, if you were to hop on calls with a bunch of roofers, like they wouldn't trust you just because of that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. I want to show you my website. Can you tell me your students like hitting a monthly like 10K, 20K month?
Well, this is an application call for my program,
Yeah, yeah,
right? So like I can, I mean, we got like 25 guys in here that are all going on like weekly group calls with me and stuff, just like working towards that. And if you like what's in my course on YouTube, it's like that, but built out a lot more. But like, I'm curious because in your application, you said you had like a couple thousand to invest. What do you have to invest in total? And are you trying to run paid ads?
I am investing like 100, 1000 to 2000 on mentorship program, and I will be running a meditation agency for my getting clients like thousands dollar every single a day.
Okay, so you have like a 1 to 2K USD to invest, you said?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So
So
you
you want,
if you have any students right now?
well, I mean, like, this isn't a call, like an advice call or anything. It's just a call to see if like you're a good fit to join the program. And if you are, then in there it's
Exactly, exactly, man.
coaching.
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, I will be if I get my first 10K month, I will be definitely book a mentorship program, and I will be eligible a mentorship program definitely to uh, hitting my 50K to 100K a month, right?
Okay. Yeah, well, because I can't like give you like I don't really know like exactly what you need to hear that isn't in that 10-hour course. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I watched your course like how can I sales, how can I get my first 10K a month. So because I was just stuck at 3 to 4K month and I don't understand what should I do. But after your watching your YouTube course like 10 hours, right? So it was very helpful, man, for beginners, and
I'm glad.
I learned everything of this course. Yeah, yeah,
It's good. I'm glad to hear it.
yeah.
Cool.
And I decided if I hit my first 10K month, I will be so definitely eligible for your mentorship program because
Cool.
to hitting a 50K to 100K month. Yeah, with my teams.
Sounds good. Well, until then, I don't think there's really much I can do for you right here on the call.
Yeah, yeah,
But I appreciate you for booking in the time and you know, watching my content and supporting it. So I appreciate that. I guess is there any like specific questions that you have for me? Like more specific stuff
yeah, yeah. Exactly. So, how much you are doing right now?
in total?
Yeah, total.
This winter, not as much this winter because roofers aren't running ads, but um, I don't know. In the spring, I'll probably end up doing like 40 to 50 thousand a month.
And how much you are spending on advertising right now?
Zero.
Zero.
Yeah,
But how, man?
because I have clients.
Yeah, and how much you have all clients right now to hitting 40 to 50K a month right now?
By the time spring comes around, especially, I'll probably have like probably like 20, only 20 to 25 guys
25.
or so. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, it's very crazy. And
yeah,
you can handle this, all clients.
yeah. I don't change much for them.
And how many you have all teams to get 40 to 50K a month?
Recording stopped.
Oops. Wait. Say that again.
How many you have all teams to getting hitting a 40 to 50K months right now?
How many team members?
Yeah, yeah,
Zero. Just me.
zero.
Yeah.
Yeah, so exactly, this is crazy, man. Yeah, but I am,
Profit.
yeah, yeah. This is not profit. 40 to 50K a month.
It's all pro. No, it's all profit.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly, Mansoor. I will definitely buy a mentorship program after hitting my first 10K. So,
All right, lock in, book calls, close clients, and then come back to me when you're not when you're ready.
yeah, yeah.
All right,
Yeah, yeah, man.
sounds good. Well, have a good rest of your night, and hopefully we'll talk in the future.
Exactly, exactly, man.
All right, adios.
All right. Thank you.